You see the sign. We at Elephant and Vine. No, we at Elephant and Vine in Chicago. Let's go. Here's a fun fact. Elephant and Vine is the sister restaurant of Spirit Elephant. And if you've been watching vegan food reviews, you know Spirit Elephant go crazy. Let's see what Elephant and Vine has to offer. Dope layout. Love the earth tones. Good vibes. You can either order off the kiosk or one of the amazing team members can help you out. Today we got the Baja Burger, the mocha, and a brownie.
How's that burger?
Very good, thank
It's my
you.
favorite burger ever.
It's like, it's real light. I just came from another place, or everything was heavy. It was good, but it was heavy.
Yeah.
This is like much lighter. It's great.
It's really good. Good avocado.
Thank you very much.
Well, it looks like I got avocado on my face, but the Baja Burger is worth it. Like I just said, it's light, it's filling, it's delicious. If I just wanted to go grab a burger somewhere, but I still wanted to be active afterwards, I would 100% come back and grab the Baja Burger. Damn, that boy good. All right, now here we go with the mocha shake. And Houston, we have a problem. I do not have the skill set to get the mocha shake through the straw. You heard what I said. That boy thick. I actually had to take this with me and drink it like 20 minutes later on the train while I was on my way to my next destination. Nevertheless, it was very, very good. That was a good mocha shake. And now we need to talk about this brownie. It's a scratch-made brownie, and boy, that brownie is good. Look, I'm going back to Chicago this weekend, and I promise you I'm going back to Elephant and Vine, and I'm grabbing the Baja Burger, and I'm getting another brownie. If you have not been to Elephant and Vine, I suggest that you give it a try. I'm the vegan fooder, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.